What if survival meant defying the laws of nature? To masters thrive where most would perish. How do these creatures survive extremes? In the desert, every detail counts. Large ears, thick paws, every drop of water precious. In icy mountains, survival is measured in inches. Different worlds, same struggle, survival. The desert fox moves under the cover of night. Silent hunter, every step calculated. The snow leopard stalks alone, mastering ambush. But even the toughest survivors face new dangers. Melting glaciers and shifting sands threaten their homes. Poachers and human encroachment disrupt fragile ecosystems. Even the desert fox must avoid human presence. Conservationists fight to protect these species. Water station and mountain reserves give hope. Despite adversity, they keep moving, thriving. Every leap, every sprint, a battle for life. Split paths, yet intelligence guides them both. Sandstorms, snowstorms, no obstacle too great. Which adaptation amazes you the most? The desert fox's ears dissipate unbearable heat. Thick paw pads protect against scorching sand. Its fur reflects sunlight, keeping it cool. Even the smallest water source is essential. Burrows provide refuge from the harsh day. Hunting in the twilight, every movement counts. From atop dunes, it spots prey with precision. A sprint across sand is survival in motion. Under the moon, its eyes scan the terrain. Dig out burrows hide it from predators. Insects become a meal at dusk. Resting under sparse desert foliage, conserving energy. The snow leopard's fur traps precious heat. Its tail balances each perilous step on cliffs. Large paws spread weight, moving silently on snow. Nasal passages warm frigid mountain air. Crouching, it prepares for the perfect ambush. Leaping across icy chasms, soul motion precision. Hiding behind rocks, it waits for opportunity. Landing from a jump, snow scatters in its wake. Grooming keeps the fern perfect insulation. Hunting at dawn, every prey counts. Navigating narrow lodges, agility is survival. Ambushing a melting goat, patience pays off. Pouncing in slow motion, muscles coiled like springs. Blending into icy terrain, invisible to prey. Watching the horizon, calculating the next move. Leaping over rocks, mastering every obstacle. Different worlds, shared struggle, adaptation is the universal law of life. Which creature amazes you most? Comment below and share your thoughts. Subscribe for more epic wildlife stories.